Alright, so welcome back. Today we're going to be doing Year of the Rabbit, I think I'm doing. Yeah, Year of the Rabbit. So I already did this one once before, and I messed up and deleted the video by accident. So I already got the machine started up. That's why I already have like the user flag and root flag, stuff like that in here. I already got the machine started up, so we'll go ahead and take a look at that like real quick. Is this guy? Yeah, he connected. Okay, cool. So, go ahead and ping him. I'm going to do a ping on that guy. Yep, we're getting something cool. So let's go ahead and nmap that guy. Alright. 21, 22, 80. Let's go ahead and see if we can do anything with that 21. Nmap TACP 21. SCSV. Whoopsie daisy. Yeah, I'm messing this up right now, huh? There we go. Alright, and while that guy's trying to run, we'll go ahead and look at that port 80 like real quick. And we get a regular Apache default web page. So let's go ahead and do a buster on him. Dir search for HTTP and that. And we'll go ahead and sit back for a second, relax, and let everything run its test. Right now it doesn't look like FTP is vulnerable. We do have SSH. You can always do a, I always tell you guys to do, just drag in like real quick, do a banner grab, SSH. And nothing for banner grabbing, okay? Alright, so we can try to do a zap on the web page, I guess. Try to do something like that and see if we can get anywhere. Do have assets. Always look at that like real quick. You can always try just robot.txt. It's rolled MP4 style CSS. That's weird. So we got assets. Nice to see someone checking the style sheets. Take a look at the page. supersecretflag.php. Okay, we'll do. Order advice, turn off your JavaScript. Let's see what's happening here. Point of location, and it's going to a YouTube video. It's probably going to go to a Rickrolled video. It's happy if you like it or not. So we didn't see this probably right here. If you're stuck here, just have to bite the bullet. Make sure your audio is turned up. Guarantee you're about to see Rickrolled. Yep, okay. So let's go ahead and go back to that again. Super secret. And let's turn on, let's get some burp suite going and try to see what's happening in between everything. It's obviously redirecting me to that site. Let's go ahead and see if we can see anything with this guy on. We don't have to turn off JavaScript. Don't worry about that. At least I don't think we do. I don't know. Don't really remember very well. There was one a couple days ago, so doing a lot of stuff in between that time. Alright, so we're going to try to get super secret flag. Let's go ahead and send that to repeater. Click or send. What we got here? Super secret flag, load to people block JavaScript. It's happening for like it or not. Alert or voice turn off JavaScript, okay? He still has yet to say anything about like actually turning off JavaScript though. You know what I'm saying? Forward that off. Ten 10.71.235 10.10.71.235 / super secret flag .php. What is that? Super secret flag / see what that is. The intercept is on, so I should have just intercepted it like right there. .php. So that should just intercept. There we go. Supersecretflag.php. Okay, let's go ahead and send that to repeater. Send 404 not found. It's really weird. 480. Okay. Let's go ahead and forward him off a little bit. We'll forward one off. See if we get anything back. 404 not found. This guy's still going on here. Supersecretflag.php. Send to repeater. Repeater. Send. 404 not found. How is 404 not found? That's what I don't understand. Because, okay, it's trying to bring us to, so we got to the style, right? To get to the style, we have I don't know. I'm not understanding how 404, how there's a 404 like right now, so I'm not understanding. Send to repeater. That's what's making me confused, is there's a 404. Is that the correct IP address, first off? 10.10.71.235. 10.10.71.235, supersecretflag.php. Yeah, that's 100% correct. Okay, cool. 10.10.71.235, supersecretflag. Let's do that. See if we get anything with that guy right there. So that's a repeater. Send him off. 404 not found. Yeah, I figured with that. That one actually doesn't make any sense. It's very, very strange. Okay, turn off intercept. Turn that off. Alright, now turn it back on. Refresh it. We have 2 not found. Okay, so between us going to the little YouTube video there and the web server, we have this intermediary.php, hidden directory equals that guy. So we've got to do another place. All right, let's go ahead and try to go to this guy right here and see if we can find anything in there. Okay, that's 100% not where I want to go to. So let's try this. Alright, then we get a hotbabe.png. So let's go ahead and download hotbabe. Is that right, Audrey? Desktop, try hack me. Year of the rabbit. I think I already have hotbabe in here, so I'm just going to delete that. Like I said, I did do this one the other day. So we're going to go ahead and delete hotbabe, and then we're going to re-download it. wget. And we want to re-download that one. Boom. Okay. It goes ahead and downloads that. And then we can also hit C. There we go. And strings. We'll do strings for the hop 8. We always try that first, then after that we try to do a steganography. Let's try strings first. Hey, you earned this. Username for FTP is FTP user. One of these is the password. Alright, cool. Let's go ahead and grab those guys. Alright. And we'll go ahead and nano a pass.txt file. And then we'll go ahead and FTP into 10.10.71.235. And it's going to be FTP user rate. Oh, that's not going to work. We got the Hydra. FTP user. Pass.txt. 10.10.71.235. Alright, that's going to be on port 21, right? So we'll go ahead and use Hydra for that. We'll figure out which one of these is the password. Alright, or I guess you could just go down in succession, which would be miserable. You could do that. Let's go ahead and get all the way down here. We'll probably stop this guy up here too. Probably done with him. So let's also, so we've made that right. There we go. So let's go ahead and FTP it to 10.10.71. Jesus, 10.10.71.235. Alright, we have FTP user rate. And then we have this for the password. There we are. Alright, cool. ls-la. And we have an Eli's creds.txt. So let's go ahead and get that. Let me remove that real quick. Let me see what I have like right now. Remove all this stuff. So let's remove tech RF, Eli's creds. Okay, we'll remove tech RF. Pretty much anything that's .text. FTP pass. Remove tech RF. Alright, those should be the last two things I should need in there, right? Like I said, I did already make this video the other day, but messed it up. So, alright, let's go ahead and get Eli's creds. .text. That looks like the only thing that we can actually set in here like right now. So we'll go ahead and get that, and we'll go ahead and cat that. And that, like right there, is what's called brainfuck. Literally, that's the programming language. It's actually what's called is brainfuck. So we're gonna go ahead and look up brainfuck, right? Brainfuck decoder. And yeah, it should be that one, like right there. Decode.fr. Right, you put the brainfuck code up here. You go ahead and tell it to decode it. Alright, so execute, I think it is. And we get the results over here. So the user is Eli, the password is that. So let's go ahead and throw this into a Eli's creds thing. So let's go ahead and make a nano Eli.txt. Eli, that's the password. So what's that password for though? Is that for SSH? SSH and Eli at 10.10.71.235, and that's his password in there. Let's make sure. Let's see if that's what it is. Alright, cool. Yes, it is. Doing ls-la. We have that stage. Let's go to CE into his desktop. So I'm getting a lot of stuff in here. Let's say this is a Windows machine. I don't know what this is. See downloads. Okay. Can we do W again, this guy? Alright, yeah, we can. Okay, it's not Windows. Alright. So let's go ahead and CD into privilege escalation, also script, len-piece. Alright, and we'll do a Python attack M, right? Simple server. I have config up here, see what my IP address is. Let's go ahead and at least do a wget. We'll try to send that over to it. 8888/len-piece If I send that over to it, exit out here, and before that actually runs, I want to do one more thing. My cat scripts, yeah, to ID lookup. I want to try to do this like real quick first and just see what do I have, and I also do know his password too, so we should try to do like a sudo tag-out also, see what he can run our sudo. His password is cat.eli.text. That's his password. Sorry, he may not run it. Let's go to home real quick and see who else would even run the line. I do that. Let's see who else exists in the box. Cat user.text. Okay, I can't. Okay, so let's go ahead and CD back into home. CD into Eli, and change mode for what is it? Limpy's, right? Or Limpy's never actually get in here. Probably never actually got in here, huh? Let's actually CD in temp. No, we're CD in downloads. And there's our Limpy's at. Yep, okay, cool. So we'll change mode, make Limpy's executable. And let's see what Limpy's gives me, see what I see with that. Okay. See if there's like a 3306 down here, which I'm not seeing. So. Nice kernel version, sudo version. I pretty much always get that right there. There. I'm still looking for stuff, so like go ahead and do its thing. Look for everything I can, and we'll go from there. So right now I cannot run sudo though. So whatever. I'm not really finding anything in here now, am I? CD in your documents. Nothing in documents, nothing in downloads, nothing in desktop. So now, get pretty confused. Crazy. Text. I have to slow down. Read one new message from Root to Gwendolyn. Gwendolyn, not happy with you. Check our elite secret hiding place. I left you a hidden message there. Alright, so the very first time I read this, I looked at it and I said elite. That to me means video games, right? And then there's secret like right there. Now there is a way just to be able to look up secret, but I looked at elite and I was like, oh yeah, that's video games. But we could cat scripts and then do a lookup, like what do I have it written as? I have mine written as a flag lookup, I think, or something like that. Scripts, find user, yep. I have it written like that. Okay, but I could just always do and then Nope, not that exact thing, but I could always do something like this. And then do grep for S3CR3T. Well, it's not going to work over here, but it might work over here. Let's try that. And we do see stuff like right in there, right? And games. When I very first saw it, I realized I was like, huh, that seems like games. It says elite in there. So let's go to user game secret. Cat secret. No, I can see a secret. Okay. That's 3. And then we can go ahead and cat this message. It's for Gwendoline only. Your message off of Gwendoline should be at least 60 characters long, not just that. So we now have Gwendoline's password. So let's go ahead and put that in here. So nano, or we can just echo actually as Gwen.pass, Gwen.text. Okay. And let's go ahead and SU to Gwendoline. Cool, we are now Gwendoline. Just going to exit out here, so we are now Gwendoline. Cool. So let's go ahead and do a sudo takeout with her, see what she can run. And she can run user bin by on home Gwendoline user.text. So let's go ahead and run that. Sudo. Oh no, all. So she can run all but root. So but root cannot run that. Anyone but root can run that. So that's not going to help us out now, is it? It's not going to help us out at all, actually, now I think about it, because that's anyone but root can run that. Okay. So the version? We already got the version up top. It did say that version. You know what? They did say this version was susceptible, didn't they? For sudo? Because nothing else is showing me anything. And I thought I remember that was the way, but that is not the way. You do not know the way. No, I do not. Right, let's go all the way back up to. I forgot to get the sudo version. But we'll probably could just look up that command a lot faster. This thing right here, sudo version, right? Let's go ahead and look this guy up. Like real quick and see if we can find anything else on this guy. Sudo version. Yeah, because we know that root can't run that. She can't run it as root because of this exclamation blank right there. So we can CD into home Gwendoline. That's fine. We can use cat user.text. We can do that. But we can't run it as root. I figured if it was Vine, then you just run it as root for Vine, and then you put the little exclamation point. Privilege escalation is sudo. Okay. So supposedly this guy sudo tac u -1 ID tac u. There is no user with the name. There's no user SUID bit set is -1. So it should automate to 0. That's what that guy does. That's what we're doing like right here is that exact thing. We're automating out to 0. So we should technically be able to run that. Now, where to put that is a whole nother thing. But because what that's doing is telling it to change your SUID bit, right? To 1 or to -1. Once you change to -1, then -1 doesn't actually exist. It automates to the next one, which is 0, which makes you root. But where do I actually put that? Do I put him in that bin file? Or do I just type in uname -1? You know what I'm saying? Like, that's really what my problem is like right now. Let's try to do it let's try to do it in the bin file because there's a reason that the sudo tech at home exists. Right? Or I mean, that was the case. I could just SU over the root. So let's go ahead and do that one thing we just looked up, right? That sudo tech-u number -1, right? So we'll do that. Sudo tech-u. I'm just gonna go ahead and copy that. -1. I don't think I need the ID. I don't think I need the ID thing. Okay, so we're gonna take that. We put that in here, right? And then we do a user bin vi / home one line, right? User.text. Okay. Now I should from here be able to do the whole like go ahead and go in. Can I just make it a shell? You know? Can I just do that? Can I just make it a damn shell or something? Like, can I just do something like that? Bin sh? Or can I make it a shell like this? That's what I'm learning right there. If I can do something like this. Break out restricted environment responding interactive system shell. Or can I just do a escape, shift that guy, boom, boom. I don't think I even need that dev null in there. I think I just do escape, that, enter, ID. Yeah, okay, cool. I don't think I even need that dev null or anything like that in there. Let's see if I could have done that shell one. Well, let's go ahead and see /root, show that works. Cat root.text, and as you see, it does work. Okay, let's go ahead and exit out here. I want to try that shell one. What was it? It was like that. Set shell, bin sh, and then just shell, right? Okay. Yeah. You know, you can't argue with it. You cannot argue with it. Oh God, I hate fucking bin. Alright, so that is Year of the Rabbit. Right? Yeah, that was Year of the Rabbit. Let's go ahead and look up another one. I mean, what time is it? 9:54? We can always try like Year of the Fox or something like that. Right? I mean, there was a Year of the Fox at one point. So let's see what time it is. 9:54. If this goes to... You know what? We're not going to do it tonight. I've had like my shoulder's been hurting lately. So, hazards of the job. So we'll close out tonight. Tomorrow night we'll do the other one. We'll do Year of the Fox tomorrow. So let's go ahead and take a look at Year of the Fox like real quick to see what we're up against. All right. So we'll go ahead and do a try hack me. We'll go to Year of the Fox, and we'll see what we are up against on this guy real quick. Maybe even run a little quick mmap scan on him just to, get some ideas going. A little numerate for Linux or something, I don't know. Learn, I don't think I've done Year of the Fox yet. Year of the Fox. Yep, Year of the Fox. Oh, it's hard. Oh my. Alright. You have to join the room and stuff? Oh my. Oh my gosh. So we got, looks like 3 flags. Looks like we got web flag. Looks like we got user flag and also the root flag. Alright, cool. So we obviously have 3 flags. Like obviously people have gotten it. They've obviously done it. Alright. So yeah, what's this? Data warning. Good thing I got unlimited. Ooh, I'm not waking up at 4:45 tomorrow. Negative. Alright, cool. So let's go ahead and we'll wait for this machine to just kind of load up and let's see where he's going. If you were there for Year of the Rabbit, that video is done. Alright, you are good. You can do whatevs. Exit out, watch me do Year of the Fox. It's whatevs. Okay? But I think Year of the Fox is, I think it's a Windows machine. I think it is. I'm trying to remember. I don't know. I don't know all this stuff. Let's do a quick, just try to get our brain cells flowing and stuff like that for next time. Do an mmap. Just in case it is a Windows machine, and there we go. 80. Okay. Yep, there's 80. A lot of rusting. Ooh, 139.445. You know what that means? EU for Linux. That also means to try to get into it. So right now we're just mess around now. S&B client. Tack out. Right. Boom. Boom. Bam. I think I already saw a username. Fox. Domain name is Year of the Fox. That's your work group. Don't know the password. Let's see if it gives me something. YLTF is something weird. So what if we were to do a bam, 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 YLTF? Give me something. Come on. That'll be super fast. We would have already. Access is denied, huh? But we already found people. S&B client. Go. YLCF. We already found that box. Year of the Fox. Yeah, access denied. We're gonna need his password, obviously. Year of the Fox. Fox is stuff keep out, so we got a username Fox. We know that much. So we definitely have a Fox. Alright, mapping is denied. Listing, okay. Can't understand response. Okay, cool. So we know that we're not doing anything wrong here. Or anything crazy that, we understand that. But we're pretty sure we have a username Fox so far. But once that thing's done, we'll definitely know. But, yeah, we'll do this one tomorrow. We'll give it a quick try. Let's go ahead and see what that web server looks like real quick. And someone said, oof. If you want to get in, you gotta guess password. Okay, I'm an admin. Fox admin. Admin password. Alright, cool. We're going to go ahead and cancel that. So we obviously need to find a password somewhere, or at least get a, a username or something like that. We think that there is a Fox, right? So we could always just try to do an SMB or a Hydra on this dude, and we can see if it's gonna work real quick. We can just type in, real quick, Hydra, check out Fox, tech P, user share over the rocket.text. That's gonna be SMB or tac M. We'll do the domain name, right? Which should be it. From what this guy said, I believe it was Year of the Fox was the domain name. Alright, gain domain, that's it. Domain name, Year of the Fox. Oh, whoopsie daisy. Restore those terminals, okay, cool. Domain name, and we'll do SMB, boom, boom. That's going to be 10.10.178, not 187. Can always do something like that, and see if we can get it that way. We can also start to do our SMB, so we can do like an mmap, tac P445, and we could do a, we could locate .nsc files and see what SMB ones we think might work with it, like different vulnerabilities. Make sure we can see if MS-17 works with it. Who knows? Alright. Script equals MS-17, tac 010. Although they did say that it was hard, so I don't think this is going to be it. Script long, MS-17, tac 010, could run something like that. And actually specify target maybe. Yeah, it was listed under hard, so I don't think that could be it. This guy's over here, so he's not vulnerable to that. We can start to look at all these different vulnerabilities for SMB, like enumerate shares, enumerate users. I wonder if we can do that. Alright, which in all honesty, this guy should be doing for us, and doing it for Linux. Numerate services, SMB flood, Force Discovery, PSEXEC, NSC. Can always run that like right there. I don't know why she really started to get in this guy right here, but ooh, what do we got here? So yeah, we definitely have a username Fox. Normal user account. Okay, so he's nothing special like right there. That's okay. And we're going to need to actually crack into this dude too. So we are using Hydralink right now, so hopefully that works. So yeah, but I think it's time for me to go to bed because I will start working this guy and not stop. So yep, I hope. Yeah, okay, so we have a Fox and a Rascal actually. Rascal. Well then, okay. Well, we have Hydra, back out. Let's go right down Fox. See if it. Damn. Rascal. You know what? I got an idea. Home. Alright. Yeah. I'm gonna let that guy run both the night, I guess. We'll see if he comes up tomorrow morning. But yeah, I hope you guys learned something. Oh, no reply. What do you mean no reply? I think I'm gonna attach a little bit too much. Oopsie daisy. Should we okay on it? He might done too much to it. Whoops daisy. I'm still getting something back. Account Rascal. Invalid account. Non-success. Alright. Well, looks like I'm going to be messing with you guys tomorrow. Because I don't know yet. So, looks like we'll be messing with him tomorrow. And we'll try to figure some things out. So, I'm also wondering maybe this has nothing to do with what we're doing like right now. What if this actually has to do with the web form that popped up earlier? But yeah, you guys have a good one. We'll see you tomorrow. What's going on with all that? And yeah, hopefully you guys learned something from the video today. I know I did, as usual. And I feel like tomorrow we'll actually be learning a lot. Alright, cool. Bye.